It is a 1985 Chevy S10 Blazer. It's got a 97 Riviera Supercharged 3800 V6. Probably got 250 at the rear wheels.
Now listen, 250 American horsepower is like 850 import horsepower, so I have to talk to you. Listen, brother, let reality be what I want it to be. It's 2023, all right? It's my truth,
You can
okay?
reject reality and substitute your own, that's fine.
You know what I mean? Again, 2023, everybody's doing it now, you know what I mean? All right, Skeeter Wyatt here. We got this this black SUV truck. I thought it was a Blazer. Apparently, it's not.
It is a 1985 Chevy S10 Blazer.
Okay, so what's going on with the front end, brother?
It's got an Oldsmobile Bravada grille. It's got a 87 Buick Regal front bumper, section 5.5 inches and welded back together. It's got a 97 Riviera Supercharged 3800 V6. Converted to rear-wheel drive, and then a T5 5-speed transmission behind it.
I got you, brother. So you just taking everything GM and just slapping it together.
Pretty much.
Pretty much. Now, what was the thought process behind grabbing this particular engine and supercharged combo?
I actually bought the engine for a different vehicle. I had a 620 King Cab Datsun pickup that I was going to put it in, and then I sold the pickup. So then I decided I wanted to do something kind of Grand National looking. I don't want it to be a Grand National, even though I get a lot of flack for that. But I just thought a Blazer would be a nice change of pace. So just swap a motor in it and have fun with it.
I got you. Now, what did the truck look like when you got it, and what kind of work have you done to it other than the engine swap?
It was raised up. It had a 4.3 in it. It was blue on top, silver on bottom. It was basically farm vehicle. So it was a beat-up piece of junk. So I completely stripped it down, lowered it on Beltec suspension, 5 inches all the way around, swapped the motor, redid the interior to make it look like Grand National interior. I put sound deadening in the interior all over, Grand National style wheels, the aftermarket aluminum wheels instead of the chrome steels. Had a custom exhaust put on it. Had my buddy in the neighborhood who he does body work for a living. I had him repaint the vehicle for me. That's pretty much it. I mean, it doesn't have AC or heat, which is probably the next project that needs to be done to it.
Is that because they're too cool to sweat?
No, I'm sweating right now. It's awful.
Listen, brother, that's wear a white T-shirt out here. You can barely see the stains coming off. You know what I mean? So you said it used to be a farm vehicle?
Basically.
All right. Well, now it's an ass-whooping vehicle right now. You know what I mean? Rear-wheel drive, supercharged on it?
It's rear-wheel drive. It's supercharged. The engine's basically stock, except a smaller pulley on the supercharger, just a little bit smaller. It's probably got, I would guess, 250 at the rear wheels.
Okay.
I think a stock engine is capable of around 300 horsepower. So by the time you lose your percentage out the drivetrain, it's probably 250, I would guess.
Now listen, 250 American horsepower is like 850 import horsepower. So I have to talk to you. Listen, brother, let reality be what I want it to be. It's 2023, all right? It's my truth,
You can
okay?
reject reality and substitute your own, that's fine.
You know what I mean? Again, 2023, everybody's doing it now. You know what I mean?
Hey, if I could put a decent import motor in there and I had the money for it, I would have done that too.
You shut your mouth. You shut your mouth, brother. We're going to delete that part out of the interview.
I would put a rotary motor in there if I had the money for it.
Listen, brother, I got a weed eater at home. It sounds about the same as a rotary motor.
It does sound horrible, but they are fast.
Yeah, well, fast for one pass before it, blows the guts out of it. You know what I mean?
If you don't have too much back pressure and the apex seals hold together, you're fine.
Yeah, listen, brother, I've seen a whole lot of them at the track. They go out there, run one pass. Next thing you know, they're putting it up on the trailer and heading home. So,
I haven't run that on a pass yet, so I don't know. It may do the same thing.
Maybe. You ever plan on taking it to the track?
I don't know. It's up for sale right now, so if I don't get a chance to, it's not going to break my heart.
Well, I might have to buy it so I can prevent you from throwing an import motor in it. God dang, brother. I mean, you about to...
Look, everybody's money's good.
Listen, I got $300 and a pack of Marlboro Reds if you take it.
That won't get you the gas to go in.
Oh, brother, listen, I made an offer. I tried, ladies and gentlemen. Now, you said next step might be some AC in it. You got any other plans past that for this truck?
The rear end, I should probably swap out and put the disc brake set up on it and get a limited slit put in it. Right now it's got an open diff. So.
Ooh, so you got the one-wheel peel?
Yeah.
The one-tire fire?
Yeah.
Yeah. Listen, it's cool for phrasing, But yeah, for burnout today, it ain't too good.
It's what was in there when I got it, so I just haven't replaced it yet.
I got you. Well, listen, brother. Anything else you want to say about the car?
No, that's pretty much it.
All right.
Nothing too special.
Well, I appreciate your time, brother. We can get some extra shots of the car.
All right, man.
Thanks,
Thank you.
man.